The difference really now is you see all the chambers collaborating. It's not just the chambers, but also other Cebuano organizations and the LGU. So the dialogue now is really, you can really see the openness of the dialogue between private and public sectors. I think that's the main difference. Because in the past, it was really focused on tourism related industries or just within the tourism diasporas. But now you can see it's from different industries, different chambers, and the government as well.
How's the HRAC right now, considering the tourism,
You mean the
you know,
tourism industry?
arrivals, the as we'll know, no, the
Correct. You know, June is really a very soft period for the industry because this is really when we feel the effect of the Middle East crisis. 3 months into this Middle East war, that's when the old bookings have already stopped. So all hotels, I think, are really suffering and looking forward to better times. And we know that this is going to be for the next few months. Cebu is still really domestic driven, but the prices of tickets have really soared between March and now. So we are really seeing a drop even in domestic, especially for domestic. We hope that in the next few months, with the prices going down, arrivals continue to increase or at least stabilize. But we know that it will take some time for arrivals to bounce back. I think that's really the beauty of Cebu because over time we have really learned to dialogue and work together with the LGUs. Our LGUs here continue to be supportive of private sector, and we know the private sector will always be on the table. We will always play our part to ensure everyone's benefit. That 2028 seems to be a very big event for Cebu. It's not just one event. Sports tourism is really pushing in terms of being held here in Cebu. So we are all looking forward to that. So the Asian Mice Games, the organizers were here already. They already checked out our venues, and we're already starting to work towards achieving that milestone for Lapu-Lapu and Cebu. Cebu is an island paradise. We have everything here from highlands to the beaches to beautiful culture, beautiful people. You can make your business deals here as well. So come and visit Cebu. We are all here waiting and looking forward to meeting all of you.